Are you ready to step into a world of limitless earning potential? AI Avatar is ready to help you. This cutting-edge technology is changing the game for online entrepreneurs, providing incredible opportunities for those prepared to take advantage of them. Whether new to the digital space or a seasoned professional, this AI Avatar can take your earning potential to the next level. So, what are we waiting for? Join us today and start making money with AI Avatar right away.
Have you heard of Peart? It's super cool AI-powered avatar program that allows you to create avatars from your photos. Think about it. You can have an AI version of yourself to use as your social media profile picture or to show off to your friends and family. Here's how it works. You upload up to 20 photos of yourself, making sure to include a mix of close-up shots of your face, chest-up shots, and full-body images. The more variety you can provide in clothing, facial expressions, and poses, the better the AI can generate an accurate avatar. Once you've uploaded your photos, the AI gets to work, and within a few hours, it creates over 200 avatars in various styles. RT.Pics will send you an email with a link to your project, and you can check out the fantastic avatars that have been generated for you. And here's the best part. You can download and share your avatars on social media networks to show off your AI-generated self to the world. The service cost is $29, but unfortunately there's no free trial available. And once the AI starts learning from your photos, you won't be able to edit them. But you can purchase more credits and start a new project from scratch. But like with any technology, there are some potential downsides. RT.Pics cannot guarantee the accuracy of the images generated by the AI, and there's a chance you might end up with an artistic nude or some other content you're not happy with. But don't worry, if this happens, you can always contact RT.Pics and they'll be more than happy to help. Additionally, the avatars generated by RT.Pics can be used for various purposes beyond social media. You can use them as profile picture for work, personal email accounts, or even as characters in video games or animations. The possibilities are endless. Another significant aspect of RT.Pics is that it's a great way to capture a moment. Imagine having an AI-generated version of yourself from 5 or 10 years ago, or even from just last year. It's like a digital time capsule that you can revisit anytime you want. But beyond just being a fun and unique tool, RT.Pics also has the potential to significantly impact the world of technology. As AI continues to advance, we're going to see more and more applications like these that allow us to interact with technology in new and exciting ways. So there you have it. If you're looking for a fun and lighthearted way to create an AI-generated avatar to yourself, RT.Pics are worth checking out. Have you heard about AI Profile Pics Art? It's such an excellent tool that lets you create stunning profile images with the help of AI. This online platform takes your stock photos and turns them into a work of art with just a few clicks. To create your avatar, you must upload from 15 to 20 photos of yourself or the subject you want to use. Then you can edit and crop the images to your liking using the online photo editor. After that, you get to choose from over 70 available art styles, each with its unique look and feel. The options are endless, from the Joker to Greek gods, from cartoon characters to stroke drawings, and from fantasy to cyberpunk. Once you've made your selections, you'll receive an email in about 2 hours with your perfect avatar. The AI technology used by Peart is top-notch, and the AI-based quality control systems ensure that every photo created goes through a thorough quality check process. This means you can expect unparalleled photo quality and stunning visuals every time. Regarding payment, Peart accepts major credit cards and PayPal, and an invoice for the total amount will be sent to your email after payment. Plus, for privacy reasons, all AI-generated photos will be deleted from the server within a week. Of course, refunds are not possible, but customer satisfaction is guaranteed. And if you're a tech-savvy individual, the train model can even be imported into any Stable Diffusion UI and referenced with the keywords SKS plus type in the prompts. Okay, let me add more details to make it more exciting and informative. Peart's AI technology is designed to create up to 200 high-resolution and high-quality profile images. The platform supports PNG, JPG, and HEIC file formats so that you can use the photos for your online profiles and other purposes like printing, wallpapers, and more. One of the best things about Peart is the variety of art styles available. Whether looking for a classic, elegant look or something more playful and quirky, you're sure to find a style that suits your personality. And with over 70 styles to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Another great feature of Peart is the quick turnaround time. Within 2 hours of making your selections, you'll receive an email with your perfect avatar, so you can start using it immediately and no more waiting for days or weeks to create your profile image. And if you're worried about privacy, you can rest easy knowing that all AI-generated photos will be deleted from the server within a week. Peart values the privacy of its customers, and this is just one way they ensure that your personal information is protected. So why wait? If you're looking for a fun and creative way to showcase your personality online, head to AI Profile Peart today. Whether you're a professional, student, artist, or just someone looking for a fun new way to express yourself, this tool has everything you need to create a truly unique and unforgettable profile image. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to stand out on social media or wherever you use your profile image, give AI Profile Peart a try. Your friends will be amazed at the transformation. Snapshot AI is a tool that changes the game when creating exceptional images. With its advanced AI technology, Snapshot AI can turn any object into a stunning work of art in just an hour. Whether you're looking to create a profile photo, an avatar, or just some fantastic AI-generated images, Snapshot AI is the perfect tool for you. Here's what makes Snapshot AI so unique. It works with all kinds of photos, whether a picture of your pet, car, clothes, or even yourself. All you need to do is upload at least 8 pictures of the subject you want to create an AI-generated image of, and the AI will train on it. The AI will create over 200 photos in 56 plus different styles. Snapshot AI has got you covered from futuristic to classic, abstract to realistic. The generated images are a 4K resolution and 300 dpi, which means they are suitable for printing. So if you want to create a stunning poster or an art print, Snapshot AI is the perfect tool. The tool also offers studio renders, high-quality images for marketing campaigns and other purposes. These images have a depth of field effect that makes them look more professional and appealing. If you're looking for a unique and thoughtful gift, Snapshot AI has got you covered too. You can purchase gift e-vouchers that contain over 200 standard AI images in 56 plus styles. These e-vouchers make the perfect gift for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just a way to show someone you care. And that's not all. Snapshot AI can be a game changer for your campaigns if you're a business owner or marketer. With its advanced AI technology, Snapshot AI can create images that stand out from the crowd and make a lasting impression on your target audience. Whether you're looking to create social media posts, advertisements, or marketing materials, Snapshot AI has got you covered. So if you're looking to take your social or marketing campaigns to the next level or just to create some fantastic AI-generated images, Snapshot AI is the perfect tool for you. With over 5,852 people already using Snapshot AI to develop thousands of AI-generated photos, it's clear that this tool is the real deal. So why not try it out and see what amazing images you can create? Whether you're looking for a specific style or want to experiment with different themes, Snapshot AI has got you covered. So go ahead and give it a try. Profile Picture AI is a fantastic tool that lets you create a profile image that truly represents you and your personality. The device is powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, which means you can expect your profile image to look truly unique. Whether you're looking to stand out on social media, make a great first impression on a dating app, or just want to show off your unique style, Profile Picture AI has you covered. One of the best things about this tool is the wide range of styles and characters you can choose from. There are over 361 styles to pick from, including sharp, glowing, light, Elysium, professional, pin-up, wind goddess, utilitarian, fairy princess, armor, business, cafe, focus, battle royal, and others. Profile Picture AI is based in the Netherlands, and the company takes user privacy very seriously. They only store your data for as long as it takes to generate your profile image, after which it is deleted within 7 days. Plus, the company uses a secure payment system, Stripe, to ensure that your information is safe. To get the best results from Profile Picture AI, the service recommends you provide 10 close-up shots, 3 side profiles, 5 breast shots, and 3 full-length shots. The variety is vital, so experiment with different facial expressions, locations, backgrounds, and perspectives. You don't have to face the camera in every shot. Turning away can give a different perspective. High-quality photos work best. Minimal makeup is recommended as images can exaggerate too much. Swimsuits and underwear are acceptable, but the service asks that you avoid nudity. Different packages are available at different prices, starting at $7.25 and going up to $24.75. Each package includes different styles, photos, and format options. 11,211 customers have already used Profile Picture AI and are very happy with the results. And if you still need more than that, the company offers a 14-day refund policy. Profile Picture AI is run by Danny Postma, a Netherlands-based individual entrepreneur passionate about helping people create profile images that truly represent who they are. The company does not store your data or sell it to third parties. The data is securely stored in the United States by trusted partners. Payment is quick and secure, and you can create invoices after purchase. And best of all, once you've completed your profile image, you can use it anywhere you like. Whether you're looking to stand out on social media, make a great first impression, or just have some fun, Profile Picture AI is the perfect tool for you. Have you heard about Any1 AI? This fantastic AI-based tool allows you to create custom portraits of anyone you want in any way you can imagine. It uses a combination of 5 to 10 photos of the person to create a unique AI portrait customized to your specifications. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, you can even customize your AI portraits with all sorts of fun cues. For example, you can have Jesus riding a unicorn walking on a rainbow in the jungle, or portrait with isolated colors with sharp dark comic outlines. The tool is all about giving you the freedom to let your imagination run wild. But that's not all. Any1 AI also has a community page where you can see portraits that other users have created and shared. It's cool to see all the different styles and techniques people come up with. You can even create AI portraits of your pets. How awesome is that? The portraits created with Any1 AI are just breathtaking. They come in various styles and techniques, such as digital portraits, pop art paintings, and even oil on canvas. And the resulting AI portraits are highly detailed, with vivid colors and intricate details that will make your jaw drop. Some of the portraits created by Any1 AI are just incredible. For example, there's a colorful portrait by KAWS, airbrushed on canvas in pastel colors and cel shading, 8K Pixar style. Or how about a portrait of a mythical folks demon with ornate and intricate facial features, a flowing and smoky design, symmetrical and sharp focus and bright colors. This portrait was created using Unreal Engine and Octane Render with elements of anime art and non-Nodoroid figures by the Good Smile company. There are also portraits of toy figures with intricate detail, atmospheric lighting, bokeh and photographic realism in 4K. And if you're in the mood for something a little more fantastical, there's a portrait of an ugly monster with spikes on his body, purple skin, and gold armor against a battlefield backdrop. Artists create these portraits like Greg Rutkowski, Dan Mumford, Art Gurm, and Peter Morbacher with great detail, sharp focus, and alien elements. If you're an art lover, you'll appreciate the portraits featured on popular art platforms like ArtStation and DeviantArt. There are garbage portraits, hyper-realistic paintings of attractive men, pictures of genies with Islamic tattoos, a handsome man in a leather harness, and even a highly detailed, retrofuturistic cyborg infographic from Popular Mechanics magazine. And that's not all. There are portraits of origami paper sculptures, a highly detailed and ultra-realistic illusion of St. Sebastian's martyrdom, a realistic image with fangs and long hair, a statue of a necromancer with a cyberphone, a two-color trippy conceptual illustration of 1960s LSD, a portrait of a Victorian-era master, and even a tourist visiting lizard man cultists. Last but not least, there's a neon light sign in the shape of a gorgeous woman with a detailed face, hyper-realistic and studio quality. This tool truly has something for everyone, and I can't wait to see what you can create with Draw Any1 AI.